BMW E90 and many other models with the iDrive, you'll get a exclamation point on the a triangle saying service due. You need to have a program a lot of times to reset things. In this case, it was showing that I needed an oil change, and I had already done that but hadn't reset it. I use this program called Carly. The little plug-in piece looks like that, connects to my phone via Bluetooth. I go into the program and reset it, and now I'm at green and it shows me 1,300 miles. Of course, I go 5,000 miles and I pay attention to that myself, so I reset it when I actually when this light comes on, because I don't reset it every time I do it because it sets for 13,000 miles. Anyway, that's how you do it on a BMW, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Peace.